All right, good morning. 6:17 on Memorial Day, waking up to some scattered showers out in southeast Kentucky. Majority of the area dry, and really that's how most of us will be today, which is good. News is mainly dry. We'll still have some showers to contend with, but out toward Floyd County, Knott counties, a few showers. Bell, Hardin, Letcher up into Pike County, still a few showers there, but those are moving off to the northeast, so they are gradually moving away from us. Let's look here at how much rain just within the last 24 hours here, okay? So obviously this is not counting what fell back into Friday and Saturday, and even in some areas on Thursday. 1.5 inches in Harrison County, where that gauge is located. All right, parts of Harrison County picked up more. There was some big flooding ongoing in Harrison County yesterday, parts of Bourbon County, Nicholas County, Robertson County, up that way. Again, big flooding to the degree that it was some small streams and creeks that had come out of their banks and they were covering roadways. Nicholas County, where this gauge was located, 1.5 inches. Look up in Mason County, 2.3. Northern Fayette County, 1 inch. Franklin County, 1 inch. 1/2 inch in Mercer County, 1/2 inch in Lincoln, 7/10 in Pulaski, 1 inch in Laurel County. But look though, just one county over, Clay County, where this gauge is located though, 3/10 of an inch. 6/10 in Knott County, 6/10 in Pike, 1 inch in Harlan, 2/10 up in Morgan and Lawrence. So there was a little strip here in the last 24 hours that didn't pick up as much. But again, at least everyone got some rain over the last few days. At the Bluegrass Airport, the visibility has dropped as the clouds started to break up. So that bit of a clearing started to happen and the fog started to form. 1/2 mile visibility, Mount Sterling, 1/8 mile in Moorhead and Flemingsburg, 1/2 mile as well in Richmond, 1/8 mile down in Danville. So a number of areas waking up to dense fog on this Memorial Day. We're in the 60s. It's a muggier morning, especially down across southern Kentucky. There's that fog showing up very dense. Check that out in Richmond. Paris seeing some fog, but you can also see the breaks in the clouds. Breaks in the clouds. Paris, breaks in the clouds in Lexington, and that likely over time helps to boost our temperatures into the afternoon, likely onward up into the upper 70s. May make a run at 80 degrees this afternoon. To the south, yep, there are those spottier showers. So let's take you through the remainder of the day. Some spotty or widely scattered showers, southern, southeast Kentucky. I wouldn't rule out one Lexington or areas north, but we're running into this high pressure to the north, and that is dry air. So that is helping to eat away at much rain, making it far north. That's why mainly south, southeast, and even there, not everybody sees rain. And then as we go into tomorrow and Wednesday, better shower and storm chances start to come back into place. So overall, more dry real estate today than what we've seen the last several. Tomorrow, Wednesday, wetter across the area again. Then to end the week, yes, there are small rain chances here, Jace, but it is smaller and it is trending drier. And back in the mid-70s this upcoming weekend, maybe some lower 70s. That'll feel pleasant. Remember back in April when I said, when we were getting those near record highs and setting record highs in the 80s, that once we finally fully got into May and June, we would pay for it. It would balance out. Look what's happening. Mid-70s, that's below average.
You know, I don't remember you saying that,
You
but
don't?
I'll take your word for it.
Okay.